So guys, today we're at IKEA with my family right now. You can see that. This is the big building IKEA. Let's go in. I'm just gonna explore it. This is not my first time, but this is the first time I'm recording. Let's go see. I'm not gonna talk the video, so bye bye. That's kind of cool. We're going in here. Oh no, there. What's this? I'm just gonna check. Oh, there's a hole here. It's just me over here. Let's go. Oh. Look at this. Look at this. These are scissors. These are yellow. This is cool. Look at this. Oh, what is this? By the way, I'm in Norway, so yeah. Look at this. That's cool. Look at these cups. Oh, look at that. But and then this happens. It's kind of cool. Let's go explore more. Oh. Oh, look at it. Oh, what is a plant like this? Oh, these are fake plants. These balls. Look at that. Oh, hello. Look at that. By the way, that's my brother. Gucci. Yes. Monkey. It's a monkey. It's a monkey with a pizza. What you doing, buddy? What you doing? You stealing pizza? Oh, sorry. I just punched the monkey. Oh, cookies. Look at all these. Okay, let's go. What's this one? Oh, look at these floating pans. Oh, I'm not supposed to touch them. Let's move on. Let's go. Yo, what are those? I think they're fake. What the? Oh. That was loud. I don't know what to do. It's just an alarm or something. I don't know. I think we're late or something. Let's go check it. Look at this. What's that? Hello.
Hello.
Look at that. What's that? 400. 16 oil. Okay, okay, let's go out. Yo, oh. That's LED. Look at that. Ooh, we were down there, Nora. Oh, let's go check the bedrooms. That's so cool. Basic. Not anything new. We have that room. Look at that. Basic room. Look at this. It's a cool room. There's books here. Hey! Oh, look at this man. Yo, what's up? They have this closet. What are those? Oh, orders? Ah, okay, no. The heck is this? Yeah, it's definitely fake. Okay, let's go. Adi, kom! Kom, Adi. Kom, Adi. Oh. Kom, Adi. Adi, kom.
Nå er det ikke godt nok. Jeg går hjem.
Se, Adi. Der! Se, Adi. Kom. Go, Adi. Wow. Wow. While my brother is playing there, I'm just gonna watch. There's kitchen. Pizza! Pizza! Who ordered the pizza? Is it you? Oh, we can't be careful. Look at that. Pizzas. Fish. Okay. Oh, four. Oh, hey. So shit. Yeah, seriously. What is it? Oh, oh, we got one of those. Okay, let's keep moving. So while he's playing, Adi, se! Bean! Bean! Bean, Adi! Se! Come, Adi! Come, brother. Look at this. Bro, these are just toy cars. Yeah, yes, hey! Wow, I'm so shocked. Hey! By the way, I'm just recording. I am in IKEA. Oh, what is these? Oh, oh shit. I messed up. These are this place. Oh, these are socks. They're not socks, but they look like. This is the whatever this is. Look at this. Look at this masterpiece. Infinite list. Careless. Oh.
Nice.
Oh, Lego. We got Lego in there. Whoa. Look at that. It's pretty cool. And if you're watching this, I don't really care, but thanks for watching. And bye-bye. I'm just kidding. I'm not ending now. This is gonna be like, I don't need to say the time because you already know when you clicked on the video. So you're just gonna keep looking around. I'm gonna go another place. I'm gonna find out. Wait, where is my parents? Let me go try to find it. My brother is playing with. Oh, they're here. Okay. While he's there, carpet, bed, TV, I'm not touching that. Yeah, what? That's made of Legos. That's Legos. That's Legos. We got this one. Yo, it's really good. It's fake. Look, it's just plastic. It doesn't break. And we got another one here. How many of these are there? I'm gonna put them back there correctly. We have pencils. Please don't break. They're all broken. We got this. That's it. That's fake. Got the brushes. We got whatever these. Okay, we got this. It's a cat. It's not a cat. I like him wheel. Yeah, I just talked to my parents right now. Oh wait, what was that? Yo, look at him. He made a masterpiece. Like he made like a traffic. It says there, you can't go to traffic. And he's like going with the cars. Okay. See here. Casket, food, whatever these are, you can just chill in those. Pretty expensive. Okay, in here again. In here. And what are these places? Yeah. Oh. Oh, look at that. Whales. Heart. So I'm gonna give it. Give me your heart. Okay. What's this? No way. This. That's so cool. Yo, look at that. It's heart. It has a big whale. And there's some cats. Look at that. I'm just kidding. Oh, Duolingo. Yeah, it's kind of laggy, but it's not like that. Look at this. What's this? Oh, that's cool. The kid can play like here, and then under here is the toys. Hello. Perfect. Yo, Ben. I'm now Ben. I'm not stupid. My head almost hit that. Oh, there's the bencher. This cost $1,000. 1,595 Norwegian dollars. Oh, look at the cars. Well, he's playing with the cars. I'm just eating pizza. Gonna pizza. Okay, I can't. They're on display. Let's start walking. Oh, beds. Oh, look at that. We got closets. Oh, we can hide in here. Can you see anything? You don't see the on camera. Like. By the way, my phone is something like that. Oh no, it's T-Rex. There's a dinosaur right now. Those pillows. I don't know why the camera's so zoomed in. I have to like back away. Oh, staircase. I don't know if you can see them, but like, look at that up there. Up there, I got like, there's a snails here. Gucci, gucci, gucci. It's a cat. Then we got there. Look at that. Look at this place. I'm gonna scare someone. Boom. That was very weird. Okay, I don't know what I just said, but oh, pizza. Well, look at this chili. This ain't chili. Fire. Boston pizza. Boston pizza. Cheese. Ben.
Are you sad about
No. I won't eat my. Again, the serious. He's so scared of the voice. Mama, una farsen. So, let's go look more at some stuff. We got Lego bricks. Yo, there's pandas. So we're gonna go look for other places. Yes, I have been here, but look at that. Let's go there. Let's first look at this place. You could just skip. Oh, T-Rex. Okay, I'm not. What? Love your back. Chill.
Kuta film bygger. 20 meter